Intraday trading isn't for the faint of heart. It's fast, intense, and all about the timing. But with the right tools, specifically with the right indicators, you can sharpen your edge and do smart trading. Let's break down best 5 intraday indicators that every trader must know. First up is the moving average, your trend compass. They smooth out the price data to reveal the real trend. A crossover like 20 period moving above the 50 period, then this could signal a bullish move. Well, below it, it could signal a possible downtrend. It's perfect for spotting entries and exits. Next up, the Relative Strength Index or the RSI. It ranges from 0 to 100. Above 70, the stock could be overbought, and below 30, the stock could be oversold. RSI can help you catch price reversals before they could even happen. Third one is the Bollinger Bands. It helps in showing volatility in real time. When price hugs the upper band, it may be overheated. When it hugs the lower band, a bounce might be set off. You can use them to time breakouts or reversals during high volatility sessions. The fourth indicator is the volume. Volume tells you how serious a move can be. If a price jumps from high volume, it may be real. Low volume, watch out, it might not last. Volume can confirm trends and it can also validate your setup. Coming to the fifth indicator, that is the last one, it is called as MACD. Moving average convergence divergence, it's all about the momentum. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it's bullish. If it dips below, it is a bearish. And this can help you spot trend shifts early. Let me give you a pro tip. Combine all the indicators. Use RSI for reversals, MACD for trend strength, and volume to confirm the move. The magic lies in interpretation, not only the math. Well, the indicators cannot guarantee profits, but it will guide you through your decisions. Use them wisely, manage your risk, and always trade with a plan. Ready to take your intraday strategies to the next level? Explore such powerful tools in the Navya app.